The DJI Air 4 has landed, and it's set to change the game in aerial technology like never before. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a budding photographer, or simply someone who loves exploring the skies, the DJI Air 4 is here to exceed your expectations. Known for its industry-leading innovation, DJI has redefined aerial photography and videography yet again, pushing the boundaries of what a compact drone can achieve. One of the most significant enhancements in the DJI Air 4 is its camera system. It boasts an advanced 1-inch sensor capable of capturing breathtaking 8K video at 60 frames per second and 50 megapixel still images. This substantial leap in resolution and clarity ensures that every shot you capture is packed with vivid detail and lifelike colors. DJI has introduced a new HyperLight technology that dramatically improves low-light performance. The DJI Air 4 isn't just a camera on wings, it's a high-performance machine built for versatility. The enhanced propulsion system and redesigned aerodynamics enable a maximum flight speed of 68 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest drones in its category. With a 40-minute flight time on a single charge, you can explore vast landscapes and capture extensive footage without frequent battery swaps. The Air 4 features our vamped obstacle avoidance system with 360-degree sensors that provide real-time environmental awareness. DJI has incorporated several intelligent flight modes in the Air 4 that make it easier to capture professional-grade content. The upgraded Active Track 5-point technology allows for seamless subject tracking, ensuring that your subject remains in focus even when moving unpredictably. With the DJI Air 4, connectivity is faster and more robust than ever. The drone uses DJI's latest OcuSync 4.0 transmission technology, delivering a crisp 4K live video feed up to 15 kilometers away. Combined with DJI's integration with popular social platforms, you can share your stunning aerial shots instantly, keeping your audience engaged with fresh, high-quality content. In terms of design, the DJI Air 4 has a sleeker, more aerodynamic frame that not only looks futuristic but also reduces drag for more efficient flight. Constructed with lightweight, durable materials, the Air 4 is both sturdy and portable. Its foldable design means it's easy to carry, making it an ideal companion for travelers and adventure seekers. Battery technology has seen significant upgrades as well. The new Smart battery system in the DJI Air 4 offers up to 45 minutes off flight time, giving you more time in the air. The batteries also support fast charging, allowing you to get back up in the sky within 30 minutes of plugging in. Early indications suggest that the starting price will be around $1,599. In conclusion, the DJI Air 4 isn't just an upgrade, it's our evolution in the drone industry. DJI's relentless focus on innovation and excellence is evident every aspect of this drone. Subscribe, like, share.